Ayan mga palangga, pupunta kami sa school CL. Paparaan na kami, kikitain namin yung teacher ni CL.
Oh, you've got to teach yourself.
Dami kako. Are you excited, Sandra? You are?
To do it that we're teaching, that's fine. She gets there, it's okay. It was third grade. My daughter had a complete meltdown because she had to finish her homework and she didn't know how to. Why? Like, that's what we're doing. So this is a homework practice. Gotcha.
So yeah, and then it's like we moved her. She was born in the Philippines.
Okay.
Sandra! What are you doing there? Ayan mga palangga, tapos na kayo pa kita doon sa teacher ni CL. Ayan, umaambon na mga palangga. Lalakad na kami, malayo yung pinag-parkingan namin kasi sobrang daming sasakyan na nakaparada sa malapit, kaya malayo yung lakad namin, pero okay lang, ngayon lang naman yan eh. Ayan, may magandang bulaklak dito sa daanan. At ang ganda ng sunflower na to guys. Para siyang light yellow.